Hi everyone, I'm Vance with the new Envy Customizer from Wilson Jones. You're going to be in a great mood all day because you'll be snapping your documents away with a greener, environmentally friendly binder. And it won't cost you a penny more. Take a look at this. It doesn't sag, it doesn't bag. How many other binders can say that, huh? You can have an exciting life and get a big raise now. Why pay more for something that's good for the environment? You don't have to with Envy. It's a greener product for the same price. Great construction. I mean, look at this. Made by Canadians, so you know it's good. You know those Canucks always make good stuff. It's glued on both sides, built to last. See this? Opens up like a butterfly, makes it easy to insert your documents whenever you want. Want to add a document? No problem. Want to take it out? Watch. Simple. Snap it, trap it, wrap it, tap it. Your documents will be doing the funky chicken in these things. You've seen these before, right? Looks harmless. You don't want this, folks. What is that? A bad tattoo? You don't want toner transfer on your binders. Why would you want that? You don't want that. It's just ugly. With Wilson Jones' new Envy binder, there's no toner transfer and it's made of non-toxic materials. Better for the planet, people. Better for you. And if you order now, because you know we can't do this all day, we'll throw in not one, not two, but 3 rings free. Guys, we're going to make the world green again. Green with Envy. Here's how to order.
Order now! The Envy Customizer is better for the environment and has superior print won't stick properties, greater strength and durability, and won't cost you more. Visit www.pvcfreebinder.com for more details.